Hello and welcome to the BayPay Forum's daily news podcast. I'm Lisa, here to bring you the latest in payments and fintech. This episode is proudly sponsored by payacademy.com, your leading online resource for learning about the payments and fintech industry, anytime, anywhere, with over 220 courses at your fingertips. Let's dive into today's top stories. Papaya and Worksome launch global freelance payment solution. Papaya Global and Worksome have announced a partnership aimed at simplifying how enterprises manage and compensate contingent workers. Lloyds Banking Group in talks to buy digital wallet provider Curve. Lloyds Banking Group has been in talks to buy digital wallet provider Curve in a $162 million United States deal, aiming to push further into digital payment infrastructure. NextGen uses AI-native storefronts for agentic commerce. New Generation has expanded its platform capabilities to include agentic commerce, AI-driven transactions through intelligent storefronts, and embedded payments flows. Tamara teams up with Amazon Payment Services for BNPL in UAE and KSA. Tamara, a fintech platform in the GCC, has joined forces with Amazon Payment Services to scale BNPL services across the UAE and Saudi Arabia. Ria and Xe partner with Google to optimize cross-border payments. Ria Money Transfer, Ria, and Xe, both divisions of Euronext, Nasdaq, EFT, have announced a partnership with Google to optimize cross-border money transfer accessibility. SuperAPI and Payroo partner with Monoova. SuperAPI and Payroo have announced their partnership with Monoova in order to optimize the payroll and superannuation industries dominated by legacy clearinghouses. KIB upgrades self-service banking with Diebold Nixdorf technology. Diebold Nixdorf has announced the implementation of its interactive teller machines, ITMs, at Kuwait International Bank, KIB. MYOB launches Solo Money, extending into banking services. MYOB has introduced its embedded finance feature, Solo Money, a business transaction account within Solo by MYOB, an all-in-one admin app for Australia, S1. JPMorgan reportedly intends to charge fintechs for customer data. US-based JPMorgan Chase has reportedly been planning to apply fees on fintech companies that want to access its customer bank account data. Revolut reportedly in talks to raise new funding at $65 billion United States valuation. Revolut has reportedly been in talks to raise a new funding round from investors, in a transaction that aims to accelerate its global expansion. Alchemy Pay gets approval for an MTL license in South Carolina. Alchemy Pay has gained a money transmitter license, MTL, in the state of South Carolina, adding to its portfolio of regulatory approvals in the U.S. 21 Shares lists XDC Network ETP on Euronext exchanges. 21 Shares has launched a new exchange-traded product linked to the XDC network, listing it on Euronext Paris and Amsterdam under the ticker symbol XDCN. Bow Valley Credit Union rolls out Bitcoin Gateway in Canada. Bow Valley Credit Union, BVCU, in collaboration with Balance and Bull Bitcoin, has announced the launch of Bitcoin Gateway in Canada, allowing individuals to buy Bitcoin directly through their Alberta Credit Union. Moria partners with Hashlock for a security audit. Hashlock, a provider of Web3 security and smart contract auditing, has completed a security audit for its partner Moria. JPMorgan to charge fintechs for customer data. Fintechs wanting access to banks' customers' data may have to pay for the privilege, according to a report from Bloomberg on U.S. bank JPMorgan. Lloyds Bank in talks to acquire Curve, Sky News. The UK's largest high street bank is reportedly in talks to buy digital wallet provider Curve. Built hits $10.75 billion valuation. Neighborhood loyalty platform Built has raised $250 million in primary funding, sending its valuation soaring to $10.75 billion. Survey suggests boom in banks' cloud adoption. The vast majority of financial services firms are accelerating their investment in cloud technology, suggests a recently released survey. QIIB rolls out Visa Click to Pay feature. Cheap has launched a biometric-enabled version of Visa's Click to Pay service, becoming one of the early adopters of the feature among Gulf Cooperation Council banks. Auto and Elution to optimize online payments for educational institutes. Atu has partnered with Elution to optimize digital payments in the education sector and to offer a secure and flexible user experience. Kober to support real-time interbank B2B payments in Colombia. Latin America-based Kober has announced that, as of September 2025, it will enable instant interbank payments for businesses operating in Colombia. Flutterwave gains a payment institution license in Senegal. Flutterwave has gained a payment institution license to power payments for Senegalese businesses and connect Africa to the global economy. BSP to propose tighter regulations on online gambling payments. The Banco Central Pilipinas has proposed tighter regulations that will limit the use of digital payment platforms for online gambling. Virtual NGO selects IdenFi for secure KYC onboarding to protect nonprofits. IdenFi has partnered with Virtual NGO to tackle industry challenges and meet operational needs by ensuring full Know Your Customer (KYC) compliance. Stride partners with Experian to launch open banking-powered loan matching solution. Stride has announced its partnership with Experian to launch an open banking-powered loan matching solution for brokers and customers. Binance launches Sharia-compliant crypto staking. Binance has introduced a new offering aimed at users seeking investment options aligned with Islamic finance principles. Thank you for joining us for today's coverage. Remember, you can delve deeper into any story we discussed today by visiting our news section at baypayforum.com. We're here every day, bringing you the critical insights and latest trends across the payments and fintech landscape. Until next time, I'm Lisa, thanking you for watching, and inviting you to join us again tomorrow for more updates. Stay informed, stay ahead.